Bill Goudy checking in. You know, this YouTube is a wonderful place. I've met some YouTubers in person, and other YouTubers I have only met through messaging. I've never met them in person at all. And I got a subscriber base that is just out of this world. Look at this. Kurt Danielson sent me some Texas Pete. Out of the blue, he saw my video where I said I was out. And fortunately, I had not had time yet to go to the store to get supplies. And out of the blue comes a package with 3 bottles of Texas Pete. Big bottles of Texas Pete. That's going to last me for a little while. Yes. Thank you, Kurt. That is awesome. That is awesome. I gotta tell you what. I've been cleaning this place out, and I ran across a newspaper, a whole page out of the Burlington Hawkeye from 1987. My mother had saved this. And it has a whole bunch of asparagus recipes. I love asparagus. And I'm going to make, tonight, I'm going to make for you chicken deluxe, asparagus chicken deluxe, I do believe, in a casserole dish. Now, this is going to be, it's in the teens right now. So, I don't, the sun's out right now, but it's not supposed to be. we're in for a storm, and then a warm up. And then next weekend, they're saying another storm again. So, in the meantime, I'm going to do it in, I got a little toaster oven up here. And I'm going to use that. But I can't wait to try this out in the Dutch oven outside. Yeah, it'll be so nice. Check it out. Asparagus Chicken Deluxe. Here's what you're going to want to have. Or what you're going to need. 2 pounds of asparagus. You can use frozen asparagus. It calls for pimentos, but I can't find. I had bought some pimento and a canned pimento, and I can't find it. So I must have used them all. So I'm going to substitute. These are just sweet red peppers. I'm going to cut in this fine little, like a pimento. 4 cups of previously cooked chicken. You're going to previously cook this asparagus. This hasn't been steamed yet, but I'm going to steam it. 4 hard-boiled eggs, mushrooms, cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans, 4 hard-boiled eggs, horseradish, Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. It calls for condensed milk, but I use whipping cream. Works just as well. And then I like to use the 1 cup of provolone cheese and put that in a casserole dish. I'll show you. Come along. Check it out. forgot to mention the breadcrumbs. It didn't list them in the recipe until in the narration, so it didn't say how many. I don't know. I'll probably, what is that, a cup? Maybe a cup and a half? I don't know. I don't know if I'll use them all. I'm using, for breadcrumbs, I'm using Ezekiel bread, which is a sprouted grain and there's no flour in it, and it's low glycemic, so I can keep with the low carbs. I suppose you could use any kind of cheese you want. I like this. This is the mozzarella provolone blend. It works real good for this. This would be an excellent recipe for the Dutch oven. And in the Dutch oven, I wouldn't add the cheese until the very end. I wouldn't try to do it like this. Now, put that in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes or till heated all the way through and turns brown. This is the oven I'm going to use today. It's a toaster oven. And I'm going to heat it up to 400 degrees. And set my timer for 20 minutes. Look at the goodness. Look at that. Thank you, Mark. Nestbuck. Get you one. Carnegie Forge. Look at the goodness. Look at the goodness. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. Mmm.
You have just 5 minutes remaining. Will is over there stroking putting on his leather boot, showing a lot of interesting
He was
techniques.
time wasting me. Gave me a chance to work on minor details.
Come on.
Hopefully set me apart.
You're my sweetheart.
Jockey Tools, your work is now completed.
All three of us made totally different knives. They're awesome.
Here's a copy of the recipe right out of the newspaper. And I'll put a link to Kurt Danielson down below. I don't think he makes any videos, but he has been an awesome subscriber. He's sent me so much stuff. It's just so nice. It really is. And I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you so much for watching. Bill Goudy out for now. Oh, hey. Look at the goodness. This is from TSP. Yeah. I think it's Pacific Bushcraft or something like that now. But it used to be Tramp Screen Printing. And he's always going to be TSP to me. Anyway, thank you, sir, for making the shirts. You guys need any t-shirts? He's not paying me for that. No. But he makes some nice shirts. And this will happen to be a prototype. On my regular shirts now, I have this on the back, and then I have a little Bill Goudy logo up here on the front. But, yeah. Anyway, talk at you later. Bill Goudy out.